the contaminants we've drained from the catch can after spending 10,000 kilometres in one of our Ryco ranges. As you can see, it's not just oil, but there's a significant portion of water and also some solid soot particles. Some of our competition recommends draining this solution back into the sump. However, at Ryco we don't recommend that. That's why we fitted a sump in our catch can big enough to hold all of these contaminants, allowing for reasonable drain intervals.